also evolved into a sophisticated target system used to test air-to-air, and surface-to-air defensive equipment and personnel the world over. To date, more than 6,000 Firebees have flown over 30,000 missions, with a mission reliability factor in excess of 92%. Many under very stringent environmental conditions. One U.S. Air Force Firebee flew 87 missions over a 3-year period. A squadron of Firebees made 65 consecutive flights without an operational loss. The target's rugged design accounts for a large share of this durability. Firebee's 5 major airframe components, fuselage, wing, nacelle, empennage, and tail cone, are all detachable with self-aligning bolts for ease in handling and maintenance. With an overall length of about 7 meters, wingspan of just under 4 meters, and keel to rudder height of about 2 meters, Firebee is capable of payloads up to 455 kilograms. Firebee's performance envelope includes a maximum speed of Mach 0.95 at 15,000 meters, a maximum altitude of over 18,000 meters, and a maximum endurance mark of almost 2 hours in its standard configuration. The target can be launched from zero-length launchers, which are either stationary, mobile, or at sea. In these launch modes, Firebee engine thrust is augmented by a solid propellant rocket motor, which burns for 2.2 seconds before dropping away. Firebee can also be air-launched for greater flexibility in conducting remote testing or training activities. After launch, the target is controlled from the launching aircraft without need for ground facilities. For training flights, Firebee is operated with towed targets called tow beams, which contain special radar or infrared augmentation devices. Infrared or radar-guided missiles then seek and destroy the relatively inexpensive tow bee rather than the Firebee itself, which survives to fly additional missions. Similarly, a radar-augmented banner tow is used for radar-directed gun evaluation. Firebee has flown over 2,000 missions against the Hawk and improved Hawk missile systems. At the present time, Firebee is the only target system in the world to be certified by the U.S. government for use internationally against both versions of the Hawk. The Firebee Toby configuration also flies against Red-Eye and Chaparral missiles and the M61 Vulcan and M42 twin 40mm guns. A major factor in Firebee's dependability history is its parachute recovery system, activated either automatically or by operator command. The target descends in a horizontal attitude at 20 feet per second to a ground or water landing for eventual retrieval by helicopter, land vehicle, or boat. The nacelle keel absorbs ground landing impact. While in water, Firebee floats until its retreat. A sealed compartment protects critical components. The Firebee system includes complete support equipment for ground handling, maintenance, and checkout, and is designed for flight turnaround in less than a day, even after saltwater recovery. Teledyne Ryan can either supply complete Firebee operational and field services anywhere in the free world, or can efficiently set up initial operations and train user personnel for eventual takeover. Firebee's highly modular design can incorporate a variety of realistic training or test missions, or provide a wide spectrum of realistic threat simulation through low-altitude flight, formation flight, and turns of up to 6 Gs, with radar augmentation and infrared augmentation.